This video only uses Windows 10 as an operation demonstration, and the operation interface of each computer may be different. First of all, you can look at the lower right corner, and you can connect to the wireless network yet. Then right-click on the icon of this PC, My Computer, and select Manage. The computer management window will pop up. Click Device Manager, and the device list will be displayed on the right. Find Network Adapter. Click the arrow in front of Network Adapter to view the detailed device description. At this time, there is still no driver. We plug the adapter purchased from QGOO into the USB port of the host computer, and we will find the driver Realtek 8812BU wireless LAN 802 Sport 11 AC USB NIC, indicating that the internet is already available. Finally, we connect to the network. Find our own network. Click Connect to enter. Enter the network security key and click Next to complete the connection. Connection succeeded.